Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Basically, I'm working as a software delivery head. And basically, today we are going to talk about ban. Basically, what is actually ban? Ban actually, if we say no, you can't enter that place. This is basically a normal definition. Basically, we can say you can't go to that place. You can't enter that place. And if ban happens, then basically everybody knows that yeah, this person is banned, this person is not supposed to enter the any place basically. And few people, if he enters that place, by chance he entered that place, then few people will ask that how he entered the people, how basically he entered that place. Like this also basically lots of people says that how basically that person entered this place, how. So that basically questions few people ask basically. So basically in software industry, what is the definition of ban? Basically this is basically part 2 of ban. Basically part 1 basically I have already uploaded. This is basically part 2, what actually ban means in software industry. Basically how basically you can say that is that person which is going in road, or giving the interview, or having the call with some person, or having some interview, telephonic interview, having the Skype interview. Like this basically how basically people recognize that yeah, that person is banned from the software industry. So basically software industry means United States of America basically, and United States of America supporting countries. So they have banned actually. If I say this, then it's 100% correct. But basically United States of America basically is a one a software company, but basically major IT works are basically handled by China and Russia basically. So if I say he's not getting job in software industry, that means Russia and China also has banned that person, because major basically each and every software database, everything basically are in Russia. Why Russia basically it has selected? Because it's a entire Russia is covered with ice, and basically whenever the server is running for 24 hours and few for continuous basically server gets run, that time basically ice environment is required. Sometimes basically AC environment also does not support that server that get crashed basically. That time basically entire area is covered with ice, then basically that type of area basically is good for database side basically. So major database basically is in Russia and China basically. If I say, if it's my basically not confirmed, but if I say it's like this, then basically it's 100% correct. I can't be right also, I can be right, I can be wrong also, but as per my information from the internet, major database of the software related database that are basically in Russia only. It's my guess basically, it's not confirmed, because of you can't confirm basic, because this type of thing basically it's not available in internet also, because it's very secret areas where database are kept basically. So basically today we are going to see what actually ban of one person is getting banned in software company. So ban basically you can say each and every human resource basically see that this person is blacklisted. And few people says that few people basically say that I can't see your resume also, but Naukri.com is telling that we can see your resume. This type of people are also there basically. They say that yeah, we can't see your resume. So that is also ban basically. So ban actually what actually mean? Naukri.com people says that we can see your resume. Monster.com say that we can see your resume. Times of India people says that we can see your resume. Shine.com says that we can see your resume. But one person is telling that I can't view your resume. What is that? That is ban basically. So that basically, for example, one big businessman or big software company person can't see the resume of the particular person. So he is telling that I can't see your resume. I can't see your resume means that particular businessman in that business, in his business, basically whatever software is going to be developed in that software industry, he is banned because he is not able to view the resume, because it's a global level ban basically. Because human resource is a global level basically, you can say. Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, India, Russia, USA, this totally countries basically are connected with Naukri.com, Monster, Shine. Basically, these all companies are basically available. They say that we have a database, global database, which where basically lots of country can see the resume basically. But few people say that we can't see your resume. That that is ban basically, you can say. So basically, this is part two of ban of one person in software industry. In basically part three, we are going to see few more things about the ban of software of particular person in software industry.